Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to enter or exit maintenance mode on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. Scroll down and click on device care. After click on device care, scroll down and you will see maintenance mode is here. Click on maintenance mode. If you want to enter maintenance mode, so click on turn on. After click on turn on and restart. After restarting you will see maintenance mode is enter. If you want to exit maintenance mode, so here showing you exit button. Click on exit and same showing you restart. After restarting you will see maintenance mode is exit. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enter or exit maintenance mode on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.